Hello, my name is Sonia Hollis and I'm a qualified nutritional therapist. I just wanted to go through some foods I'm hoping you'll find useful to include in your diet if you're looking to lose some weight, but if you're also coming up through the menopause years. So whether or not that's the perimenopause, the actual menopause or post-menopause. Now, just a quick background about myself. As you know, I'm a qualified nutritional therapist. I also work as an NLP practitioner. Now, I work closely with one-to-one clients looking to lose weight, and I've actually been on the journey myself. So I can appreciate that it takes hard work, takes a lot of determination, but it's worth it in the end. So please do stick with it. So I'm hoping over the next few weeks and months, as I start posting more videos, you'll know certain types of foods and certain food groups that you can include in your diet to help you along the way. Now, during the menopause years, it is important to include foods that are higher in calcium and higher in magnesium, because as we get older, our estrogen levels drop. So we need to look after our bone health. So certain foods that you can be including, you can see on here, you've got your dairy products, your leafy greens, beans, trout, acorn squash, and for magnesium foods, again, the dark leafy greens pops up. They're quite important throughout. Seeds, beans, fish, whole grains. You can see the list there. Other things that I need to make you aware of are phytoestrogens. Now, these are a natural compound found in plants and plant-based foods. And research has shown that eating these foods have a similar effect that estrogen does on your body. So you can include flaxseed, almonds, walnuts, sesame seeds, various fruits and vegetables, particularly the non-starchy vegetables, some of the soy products that you can have, and oats and barley, for example. Now, when I work with weight loss clients, I do encourage them to have lower glycemic foods because we want to be looking at the blood sugar control that we're having through the day. So you're not having a lot of the peaks and troughs of energy and craving for those sugary foods, for example. So having a lower glycemic foods would help with the control of that sugar balance. So again, if you're looking at whole grain foods, your multigrains, again, non-starchy vegetables, so carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, celery, for example. And you've got your legumes, so lentils and chickpeas, butter beans, kidney beans, etc. So there are just a few examples for you. Protein. Now, this is incredibly important to include both if you are looking to lose weight and also when you're coming up through the menopause years, because as we get older, we do tend to lose some of our muscle mass. So it is important to look after this. So when I work with one-to-one clients, this is one of the first things that I look at when looking at their diet and introducing certain factors. So including high protein foods, you've got your lean chicken, pork, fish again, lentils keep cropping up, and then some of your dairy products and seeds, nuts and eggs. There's just some examples. But also remember, you can get protein from vegetables. So you've got your watercress, sprouts, spinach, cabbage, asparagus and broccoli, and they can easily just go into your fruit smoothies in the morning. They do taste nice, honestly. You can put them in there. Healthy fats as well. This is really important, again, to help with your blood sugar control. And often when I'm working one-to-one with clients, they come to me initially thinking, oh, I need to have low-fat this, low-fat diet food. That's not necessary, and I will go through reasons why. So please just also include into your diet, you've got the healthy fats, so you've got avocado, extra virgin olive oil that can be poured on, well, drizzled on onto your salad. You can also put that into, again, your smoothies as well. And you've got your oily fish such as salmon, and then your seeds such as chia seeds. Also on my website, if you are interested, I've put some recipes together for you that could help you with your support for your menopause. So if you wanted to go along and have a look, you've got the link there, and I'll also put that in the description. And as you know, again, I do work on a one-to-one basis with clients looking to lose some weight, but I need you to appreciate that it does take time, but it's worth it. Okay, I hope this helps, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.